On a sunny day in the park, Mia found a bright red kite stuck in a bush. Mia tried to fly the kite, but it didn't rise high. Still, she didn't give up, because winners always try. She tried again, a little more. The kite flew higher than before. It wobbled, dropped up, with magic wind and steady feet. Her kite rose high, almost complete. Her kite stayed up, but not too high. It danced and wobbled in the sky. A stronger breeze began to blow, so Mia let the string out slow. She didn't rush or lose her grip. Up it went, a bit more high. Mia watched with shining eyes. Almost there. Then, whoosh! The wind was right. Up it soared, her shining kite. Mia, with every try, she learned a bit. She didn't cry, she didn't quit. And up above for all.
Bye-bye, kite.
Sometimes things fly away, but the courage to smile stays.